Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I'm making another salad for my salad series using ingredients from my local Renton farmers market. Today I'll be making a kale cabbage slaw. Really easy, very good on the side of anything really, but especially barbecue. Since it is barbecue season, I thought I'd share this recipe with you. So if you guys love salads and you love using locally grown ingredients, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing we're gonna do is make the dressing. So in my bowl here, I've got some veganese. You can use regular mayo, or you can even use Greek yogurt if you have that on hand. And to that, I'm gonna add some pickle juice. Now, if you don't have pickles, so you don't have pickle juice, you can also use vinegar, red wine vinegar, or even apple cider vinegar. That would also give it a really good tang. So I'm gonna add that. And then a little bit of olive oil. Okay, and then just a little bit of salt and pepper, and give it a mix. Okay, so that looks good. Now let's prep our greens. So I've got a bowl here, and I've got this really interesting kale that I got from the farmer's market. It's a kale type that I've never seen before, but the stall that I got it from said it's really easy to eat. So I figured why not try it with this recipe. So I'm gonna take that, and what I usually like to do with kale is add a little bit of olive oil and tiny bit of salt, and massage it with my hands a little bit. Kind of rub it in so that it's not as stiff like kale usually is. Okay, so my kale is nice and massaged. It kind of reduced in size as well, so that looks good. And now I'm just gonna add in some chopped cabbage, just green cabbage. You can also use a mixture of red, but I just had green from the farmer's market. So add that all in. And then now, top it with that dressing. Okay, and now give it a good mix. Okay, that looks beautiful. So super simple salad. You kind of pair it with barbecue, or honestly, I just like to maybe bake a few pieces of chicken, or in my case, I have these vegan chicken that I use, and you can just have it on the side of that. All right, time to do a taste test. Ooh, I just love this kale. It's so unique. Okay, gonna try to get a small bite. Okay, not so small. That is so good. All right, this is absolutely delicious. Such easy, simple ingredients that you can get anywhere. I got mine from the local farmer's market, but again, you can get kale and cabbage anywhere. And I love the dressing. It's so simple. It's creamy because you use that veganese, but then you thinned it out and added a little bit of tang with the pickle juice, and then salt is just a flavor enhancer. So this is absolutely delicious as a side dish or as a main dish. So if you love salads, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. This is way too big.